you really wanna see it? I don't think you do. But in case you're a little curious, I got it for you. Him, her, and them, your whole motherfucking slew. I'm coming through, try to take me out, I'm taking everybody with me. Resurrect myself swiftly, then I'm right back in style. Resistance is futile, I'm too agile. This is my domicile, my home territory. Cooperation ain't an option, it's mandatory. You better fall in line, read the letters on the signs. I'm a man straight out his mind, won't stop until this world is mine. I went to see the doc and asked him what's the prognosis. He said I'm going nuts, I'm diagnosed with psychosis. Prescribed me some pills and bumped them up to triple doses. You know I am ferocious, money double like mitosis. You stankin' assholes and assholes are atrocious. I'm here to lead the people like my name was Moses. I have something special that the world has yet to see. Wrapped up nicely, a gift to you from me. It's uplifting, there's no fee. Yes, it's absolutely free. Special delivery, delivery, no strings attached. Just that fire with no match. Original attacks, and it's all made from scratch. Can't be bought or stolen, note the cautiously. I'm hoping that you please deliver me this special delivery. For what I come through and do, the possibilities are endless. I'll always and forever maintain my independence. Anything less than this would truly be ridiculous, frivolous. I'm known to cause a scene for being inconspicuous. Encounter situations with precision calculations. No stone will be unturned, through this fire I will burn. Immortal, everlasting, it's the last thing you will learn. If I ever fail, it will prevail when I return. To the brim it hits with benefits. The pessimist, the best it gets. Don't give a shit, not a little bit, consider it deliberate. If you want, I'll deliver it, my estimates that it'll fit. Try to take a hit at the syndicate, I bet you wish we try that shit. Come on over where it's at and see what it is I have in store. I guarantee it's nothing that you've ever seen before. Delivery so special and it will arrive promptly. If you copy, try and stop me. Impossible, call me cocky. I have something special that the world is yet to see. Wrapped up nicely, a gift to you from me. It's uplifting, it's no fee. Yes, it's absolutely free. Special delivery, delivery, no strings attached. Just a fire with no match. Original attacks, and it's all made from scratch. On some sort of form of elaborate excursion. Never will I steal styles, I am my own version. Emerging, splurging, can't you see the storm surging? Merging diversions to make my great escape. I'm taking any shape, breaking through the red tape. Try to violate my character, but I'm so prolific. Spread to the Pacific, not anywhere specific. Written on the walls like it's hieroglyphics. I'm high as a galaxy in a wonderland like Gillespie. Don't ever try to challenge me, I never spit a fallacy. Gotta stay away from haters, cause this is my only allergy. This is not an analogy, it is my one reality. Trapped up in the vortex, spinning, give me more checks. Pass me the forceps to stimulate your cortex. This here's a special delivery from Freemason himself. It's from my secret stash that I keep up on the top shelf. I have something special that the world is